SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Your iPhone has this feature called Read Receipts, where it can let people know that you've read text messages that they've sent to you. While this can be helpful in some situations, you might prefer that people not know when you've read their messages so that you have time to think about and respond to the message that they sent. Luckily, you can turn off Read Receipts by following just a few steps. To turn off Read Receipts on your iPhone 13, you simply need to open the Settings app, scroll down, and choose the Messages option. Then scroll down and tap the button to the right of Send Read Receipts to turn it off. Now when somebody sends you a text message and you read it, they aren't going to get that little notification to let them know that it's been read. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.